back to another video. Today I'll be taking you with me as I make about $35 in 45 minutes on Shipt. But before we get to that, we're going to be covering Doordash, how to still get paid even if the restaurant is closed. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, so when you moving and grooving, shaking and baking, sometimes there's going to be things that happen that are out of your control. So you're going to want to know how to handle them properly. So I started my work day with this order here. But when I got to the restaurant, that's when the plot twist occurred. So I got to the restaurant and the restaurant was closed. So what did I do? What did I do? I didn't call my girl, complain about it. I didn't write a bad review for the restaurant. No. I went in the app. I let them know the store was closed, and they told me to take a picture. So I did that, and they still paid me. You gotta make a move to me, baby, move to me, baby, yeah. And then I got a quick Uber order to follow that up. So you already know I took that one. Alright, so after I dropped off that Uber, I had a few offers come in for Uber, Doordash. They were decent, nothing special, so I declined them. And then I noticed how busy Shipt was, so I ended up taking 2 Shipt orders, and I'll walk you through the process now. Okay, so once you find an order that you think is worthwhile, you're going to claim that order, and once you claim the order, the app is going to ask you if you'd like to review it. If you're shopping for 2 orders, you could create one shopping list, so you don't have to go back and forth between the 2. The items will have different colors next to them to indicate which customer they're for. I like to keep the orders separated in the shopping cart. You can use the top of the shopping cart for one order and the lower part for another order if you have a small order and a bigger one. That's what I did on this trip here. There's also time estimates to help plan the trip. If you have more than one delivery, those could be helpful. Alright, so once you claim the order, you take a look at it, review it a little bit. You're going to want to send a nice intro message to the customer. I'll share my intro message with you. I sent it to both of them. Alright, and after you send the intro message, you're going to head to the store. Once you find an item, you're going to want to scan it, and that'll confirm that the barcode is correct, and then that item will move on over to the completed section. You could click not found for items that are out of stock, and it's probably best to message the customer. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but I recommend that you do message the customer. I did have one item that was out of stock, so I'll share how that interaction went with the customer. It was pretty easy. Alright, so you're going to want to message the customer when you're finished shopping. You're going to want to see if they want to add anything to the order before you check out. And then you're going to want to send a delivery ETA before you head out for delivery. Then once you arrive at the customer, you're going to want to take a photo and send a thank you message. Alright, so after you take care of all that, you're gonna hope you get a tip. I did get a tip pretty quickly for one of these orders after delivery, so I'll share that with you. And then the customer requested me to be their preferred shopper as well, so that means they rated me 5 stars, and they want me to shop more orders for them. So the next time they order, I'll be the first one to receive that offer, and I'll be able to decide if I want to shop for it before it's offered to other shoppers. I have a lot of preferred members, that's what they're called. I'll show you one of my oldest preferred members I've had for over a year, maybe 2 years now. Great tipper. Shout out to you, Dorat. All right, and then after I took care of those 2 shipped orders, I got a nice Uber order. I actually just dropped those 2 orders off, so I'm probably gonna head home for the night. All right, so to recap, we made about $70 in 3 hours. I'll get the final numbers for you, put them on the screen once they come on in. That sun is bright. Ooh-wee. Good thing I got my shades. Just got this. Appreciate y'all checking out these videos. Got more coming, so make sure you like, subscribe to support the channel. Until next time.